On behalf of the Texas Lottery Commission, Charitable Bingo Operations Division, welcome to the Bingo Training. This training consists of 6 modules. These modules are directed to the bingo chairperson and the unit designated agent. Everyone involved in bingo operations is encouraged to take this training. Throughout the training, we will be using abbreviations like BEA for Bingo Enabling Act, Rule for Charitable Bingo Administrative Rule, BSP for Bingo Services Portal, and Commission for the Texas Lottery Commission Charitable Bingo Operations Division. Now let's take a look at the 5th module, Record Keeping Part 1. In this module, we will discuss record keeping, which includes the following: records and forms, gross receipts, receipt records, occasion cash report, occasion schedule of prizes, floor sales by Usher, bank statements and deposit slips, and sales journal. The Bingo Enabling Act, or BEA, requires licensed organizations to maintain records that substantiate the information submitted on quarterly reports, as well as the organization's exempt status and the charitable purposes. Organizations are required to maintain bingo records for 4 years. Organizations must produce these records when requested by the Commission. Information reported for gross receipts shows the amount of money an organization took in from conducting bingo games. Expenses show the overhead and are used to determine the final proceeds, or profit, resulting from the bingo games. And the charitable distributions allow the organization to see how bingo is supporting its charitable purpose. Forms mentioned throughout this training can be found on the Commission's website and on the Forms page. The organization does not have to use the Commission's bookkeeping forms, but they are based on best practices and are suggested for use with the bingo operations. The bookkeeping forms may be amended, or you may create forms to meet your organization's needs. But any forms the organization uses must provide sufficient detail to fully and accurately support the quarterly report. Anyone that completes the forms, such as the bingo chairperson, designated agent, and the operators, need to know the proper use of these forms. Let's look at gross receipts. Gross receipts refers to the money received from the sale of bingo products. These products include regular card sales, electronic sales, pull tab sales, and, if applicable, entrance fees. The BEA requires the documentation for bingo gross receipts. An organization conducting bingo must record the bingo gross receipts on a cash register or card minding system point of sale. Other records that provide essential information about money received during the bingo occasion include the cash register tape or point of sale report, the occasion cash reports that are prepared for every occasion, the floor sales by Usher forms, the inventory record for bingo paper and pull tabs, a sales journal, the bank statements and validated deposit slips showing the actual deposit for each bingo occasion, voided receipts and documentation for any discounts given to a player, such as player cards, VIP cards, or discount coupons. The occasion cash report form is used to document each occasion's gross receipts. It shows detailed information regarding sales, prizes, prize fees, and cash reconciliation for a bingo occasion. Sales information required includes not only the quantity and dollar amount of each type of bingo paper or pull tab, but also a description of the item with form numbers and serial numbers where applicable. Prize information may be summarized on the occasion cash report if a separate schedule of prizes is provided that details all prizes awarded, number of winners, prize fees, and net payouts. The Cash Reconciliation section in the Occasion Cash Report is one of the best tools in evaluating the bingo operation. Not only can the organization tell if the occasion was profitable, but if the reports are properly maintained, they may identify areas of concern regarding errors or shortages. Compare the reports to find trends. We recommend that each session's Occasion Cash Report be reviewed by someone in the organization other than the person completing the report. One of the largest expenses that organizations will incur is the payment of bingo prizes. One of these forms we recommend to document bingo prizes is the Occasion Schedule of Prizes. This form is maintained during the bingo occasion and will include the number of half and full pay winners, the cash prize per winner for half and full pays, the cash game prize amount, the non-cash prize amount, the total prize amount awarded, the prize fee withheld, and the net payout. Please note that if merchandise prizes are awarded for bingo games, information about the merchandise prizes should be included as well. Another suggested form, Floor Sales by Usher, is used to track inventory and money that each usher is responsible for during an occasion. Information recorded here can be transferred to the Occasion Cash Report. The organization must maintain bank statements and deposit slips. These records provide additional documentation of the occasion proceeds. A sales journal, or an equivalent report, is where all the information listed on the Occasion Cash Reports for the entire quarter is compiled or summarized. Because the information is normally organized in a manner that directly relates to the quarterly report, it is helpful in accurately completing the related areas of the quarterly report. This completes Module 5, Record Keeping, Part 1.